Hey guys, Titanic1912 here, and in today's video, I have a box. And in this box is my first ever brass locomotive. Now, I must say, I don't think I'm too impressed with the U.S. Postal Service on this one. And they, not only did they get it in a day later than they estimated, but also, they were kind of slow shipping it out at all. And also, the box didn't exactly arrive in favorable condition. Particularly, you notice this major dent on the front. I wouldn't call that favorable when it comes to, an expensive brass locomotive. Wait. What? Oh, I only half opened it. So. I bought this on eBay for $290. It is a beautiful model. Unfortunately, there's some tarnishing on the brass, but that can be cleaned. It is a Samhongza model, imported into the U.S. by the West Side Model Company. And apparently, USPS loves to make their boxes really sticky. Oh no! Packing peanuts! Packing peanuts. Why? Did it have to be packing peanuts? Why? Why packing peanuts? Of all the things they could have shipped it in, why did it have to be these monsters? Alright, and out comes the beautiful box. It's a very small box. Alright. Now, I need to put the packing peanuts away. Here, before. Alright. Show y'all the model. Why did it have to be packing peanuts? Why? Why? Of all the things they could have shipped it in, newspaper, bubble wrap, have all the excellent things, and they chose packing peanuts. Anyways, this is the box. It's very small. And if you look on the side here, Southern Pacific A3442, imported by Pacific Fast Mail. And if I open it up, there is a coupler pocket from Pacific Fast Mail. What appears to be a screwdriver of some sort, as well as screws, and now, for the first time ever, a brass model. I'll take the tender out first. Yeah, as I said, there's unfortunately some tarnishing on the brass, but look at this beauty. Needs a coupler, but look at this. It's a brass tender. And now, the presumably equally as beautiful locomotive. After unwrapping it, look at that. Look at the detail and the tarnishing, unfortunately. But look at that. It's an A3 Atlantic. It's 3025 in HO scale. It is so exciting to finally we have this beautiful model in my possession. It's so cool to finally have this beauty, the Pacific Fastmail A3 Atlantic, added to my collection. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.